Hello everyone, I'm Eloy from Gelgu. Today, I'll walk you through an efficient and stable banana chip frying production line. This line covering key stages including sorting, slicing, high temperature frying, oil filtering and deoiling, and cooling, balancing capacity, quality, and operational efficiency. Let's go! When supplying global customers, we identified 4 common bottlenecks in banana chip frying lines. Irregular raw material sorting, poor product uniformity, fluctuating fry heat, inconsistent color and crispness, elevated oil and energy costs, insufficient deoiling and cooling. To address these pain points, Gelgu has developed a complete automated solution for banana chip frying. Raw bananas first pass through the sorting belt, where materials are manually inspected alongside the conveyor to remove substandard pieces, ensuring consistent quality for the next stage. Next, the bananas enter the slicing machine, cut into uniform slices with adjustable thickness based on client requirements, ensuring consistent texture in the final product. The core equipment, the high-end external heating fryer, precise temperature control, with an accurate temperature control system that ensures consistent product quality throughout. Oil-saving and energy-efficient design, with high thermal efficiency and low oil consumption, significantly reducing energy and operating costs. During frying, the fine filter continuously removes oil residue, keeping the frying oil clear and extending its usable life. The fried banana chips then pass through the vibrating de-oiling machine, thoroughly removing excess oil to ensure a crispier, less greasy finish. Finally, the axial flow cooler rapidly cools the chips, ensuring the banana slices reach the ideal temperature before packaging. This is more than just a banana chip frying production line. It's a complete, smart solution that helps clients boost capacity, ensure consistent quality, and reduce energy costs. If you're planning a project involving banana chips, fruit and vegetable chips, or other fried food products, feel free to contact Gelgu. We provide customized full-line solutions tailored to your needs. Gelgu, to make food production simpler and safer.